Welcome to Buddy's Play World, where every day is a play day. Can you guess which animal makes each sound? Get ready. It's gonna be fun. Which animal makes the sound? Did you say cow? Yay, you got it right. Next one. Which animal makes the sound? Yes, that's a sheep. Great job. And one more. Which animal makes the sound? Correct! That's the mighty lion. Which animal makes the sound? Correct! It's the cat. Well done! If you're enjoying this quiz, give us a big thumbs up and share with your friends. One more. Which animal makes the sound? Yes, it's the dog. Great job. Let's move to next one. Which animal makes the sound? Yes, it's an elephant. Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's move to next one. Which animal makes the sound? Yes, it's a snake. Excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss fun quizzes like this. Let's move to next one. Correct! It's a horse! Excellent! Let's move to next one. Correct! It's a pig! Great job! Let's move to next one. Correct! It's a donkey! Fantastic job, little buddies! You guessed all the animals correctly. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes, stories, and fun learning. See you next time! Bye-bye!